So my client says she wants to transition from a relaxer to natural hair, but she doesn't want to cut it, and she's not really currently using any products. So I'm like, let me introduce you to my hair repair deep conditioner. So she is shampooed. One thing about me is if you are using something already on your hair, I will not push my products on you. But if not, try what I got. So I'm giving her my hair repair conditioning treatment, which is the base. If you guys know me, you know the base of my hair products is either olive oil or coconut oil, sometimes argan oil. So I'm massaging it into her hair. I'm going to put her right under the dryer. And because it has a nice amount of olive oil in it, when I blow dry her hair, I do not need to put any more oil in her hair unless I'm going to do a small heat protectant a little bit before I even flat press. So I sectioned her hair and I'm blow drying her hair. She has a lot of breakage, but she's transitioning and I promise her it's going to get better. But look how her hair is flowing. I got faith. Faith in myself, faith in my products, and faith in her hair. Without faith, there's nothing. Look at it. I'm going to give her a nice trim. It looks so healthy, right?